at that solution for your bar area where gaming players can use their VIP rewards points to buy their drinks. The Carimali Easy does have powdered milk, powdered hot chocolate and fresh beans. Is a fantastic offering for those of you who are looking for something for your small gaming area or on the back of the bar, where players can use their points to have a rewarding espresso, hot chocolate or white coffee. This is the kind of system that's perfect for your location. Swipe card, coffee, VIP service, all rolled into one with this tidy little unit. See you soon. Looking for that perfect solution for your bar area, something for everybody? This is the unit, the Carimali Optima. Cup warmer for your ceramic, it really does keep your cups warm. Hot chocolate unit that does a fantastic range of hot chocolate beverages, and also a great looking coffee machine with a range of choices for your members. Screensaver, this unit lights up, looks fantastic, has some fantastic choices for your larger gaming areas where you need coffee fast. Carimali Optima, people, everything from the coffee machine, chocolate machine, cup warmer, and a fantastic fridge option. This is what you want in your bar area when you need to cater for everybody in high demand. Coffee on a tray, out to your players, this is the unit for it. So you're looking for something different, Carimali Optima is the place to go as an all-in-one beverage solution. Check it out. Okay, so the Carimali range, as fantastic as it is, has a whole range of features which I love. The new technology, the touch screens, mixing well with our technology with the swipe card, brings you a fantastic offering, and this swipe card will match it up with a lot of the different machines in the Carimali range. This is the sort of stuff that your players and your patrons of your venues are looking for. High-tech units, making great coffee. Thinking coffee machines, Carimali is well worth a look. Want to bring something completely unique to your gaming area, your club, your hotel, even your casino? Our range of bubble tea products are fantastic. What a great offering to clear the palate, and a really enjoyable experience for the gaming players in your venue to have an adult contemporary drink presented to them in a lovely way by your staff, something that's unique, something that's different, and something that will set your venue aside from the venue next door. The units we're using here are the Bun Ultras, a great freezing unit. This machine has got it all. Time to set and turn itself on and off. This unit can really freeze up your product in a great time frame so you can handle the heavy demand of a great bar area. So when thinking Hennessy Coffee, it's not only coffee, tea and specialty chocolates, our full range of bubble tea products are available for you as well. Thinking Hennessy Coffee, new tradition, think Bun Ultra and bubble tea.